It is stressful to work. You must navigate office politics while also making an impression on your boss and clients. Additionally, you occasionally have to work longer hours than you anticipated. What presents a greater challenge than maintaining a full-time job? Juggle a day job and a side business. Whatever you choose to call it, a side business, passion project, or second job can be time-consuming. Nevertheless, running a side business while maintaining a full-time job does not have to be a full-time struggle. In this video, we'll have a talk about side hustle, how to do it like the pros. Before starting this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. You will learn how to strike the right balance between your day job, side business, and personal life by following these professional tips. Number 1. Separate your day job from your side businesses and personal life. Setting boundaries is crucial to managing your side business while working a full-time job. It is challenging to maintain a healthy work-life balance when all the facets of your life converge. You will, however, burn out without one. If you cannot strike a balance between your needs and your obligations, you will probably fail in every way. You will work ineffectively at both your primary job and your side gig, and you will neglect your personal life. Following are some pointers for separating work and play. Do not pursue your side business while working your regular job. Making a call for your side business or working on your website might seem harmless. However, you could get into a lot of trouble if you are found to be taking shortcuts on the work you are being paid to do. Avoid being fired. You probably cannot support yourself solely on your side business if you are just starting out, at least not yet. Plan ahead to work on your side business. By scheduling the time when you will work on it, you can resist the temptation to do so while working at your day job. You might find it easier to endure the tedium of your day job if you look forward to the time when you can concentrate on your passion project. A time block on your calendar will also help you stay accountable. Plan out the tasks you need to complete for your side hustle and commit to it. Eliminate distractions from your life. The simplest boundaries to adhere to are those that are physical. Put your side business in a different location from your day job and household responsibilities. Maintain your day job at the office, at a cafe or library. Work on your side business. Additionally, make family time a sacred time in your home. Of course, leaving the house is not always an option. You can still set aside a location, or even just a chair, from which you can work on your side business if you do not have a home office. While you are working, give yourself permission to ignore the mountains of laundry and dirty dishes. It takes balance to run a side business while working a full-time job. Number 2. When balancing a full-time job with a side hustle, be open with your customers. You know your side hustle is a part-time venture, but your customers may not. Your clients might try to reach you while you're busy at your full-time job. Don't lose customers because you missed too many calls. Be transparent about your availability. Let your clients know when they can get in touch with you. Put your hours on your website, in your email signature, and in your voicemail prompt. Set expectations on your website's Contact Me page. Explain that you respond to emails within 48 hours, or that you check your inbox only on weekends. Include your office or store hours in your email signature. In your voicemail greeting, let clients know you don't respond to phone calls before 5 p.m. Setting client expectations is one of the keys to successfully managing your side hustle while working full-time. Number 3. Make the most of your time to grow your side business. Your time is constrained when you work 40 hours a week. When you include in time spent developing a side company, getting enough sleep may seem like a luxury. Learning how to make the most of your time is one of the keys to operating your side business while working a full-time job. Here are 3 strategies for doing that. Reduce the time you spend on mundane tasks. Do you often find yourself sending the same email? Create copy, paste email templates. Do you often provide the same answers in regards to your products? Establish a FAQ section on your website. Find ways to cut down on the time spent on busy work. Spend the time you save on worthwhile side business endeavors. Invest in time, freezing equipment. With the correct tools, many time-consuming jobs may be completed more swiftly or even automatically. Use a scheduling service, for instance, to automatically publish your social media updates rather than doing it all by hand. As much of your side business as you can should be automated using software. There are several solutions that are both free and inexpensive. Hire a contractor for your side business. When you are running a company, it may be challenging to relinquish control. Delegating, however, allows you to concentrate on the tasks unique to your side business. Create a list of your side company standard procedures, then teach someone else to carry them out. To free up more time for your passion project, you may consider hire someone to assist you around the house. Hire someone to clean your home and maintain your yard. Order groceries to be delivered. While you work on your side business, arrange for a babysitter. When you have a full-time job and are also following your passion on the side, time is of the importance. To get the most out of it, automate monotonous processes, embrace tech, and employ assistants. Entrepreneurship is thrilling, but it is also difficult, which is amplified when done in addition to a 40-hour work week. However, operating your side business while working a full-time job is possible without leaving you exhausted. Just establish clear parameters and client expectations, make the most of your time, and are you ready to grow your side business? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this video informative, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like this.